need to go? Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
Bad, yeah.
Alright, here's my group with the wax slugs. And one there, one there. And that's 2 shots right there. Pretty nice.